Struggling with grainy, low-quality videos? Imagine turning those old, blurry clips into stunning 4K masterpieces with just a few clicks. Today, we're diving into the magic of AI-powered video converters that can transform your footage, making every detail pop like never before. Ready to see your videos in a whole new light? Let's dive in. Introducing Videoproc Converter AI. Videoproc Converter is a one-stop video processing software for your daily digital life. Enhance video footage with built-in AI upscaler, frame interpolation, and stabilization tools for a sharp, smooth, and steady visual experience. And it offers a one-stop solution to convert videos, audio, and DVDs, fix, compress, edit, and record. I will put the link in the description and pin comment. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the Videoproc Converter AI website. After coming to their website, download the apps. After downloading the application, install it on your device. At this moment, it's only available on the Windows operating system. Alright, after installing the app, like other applications, launch the app. After launching the app, you will find a total of 7 options, including 3 AI features. First, Super Resolution. It's an AI generative video upscaling technology that can maximally scale up your videos and images by 400% and enlarge them to up to 4K while delivering a natural result without artifacts and losing details. Specially made for reality and anime videos, it promises to give your low-resolution video and old images a new look. Let's try this feature first. Look at this video. It's an extremely low-quality video clip, and you can see the size of the video. Let's enhance the video with Super Resolution. Select the Super Resolution option from the home interface. After we enter the panel, drag and drop the video files or folder, or directly click here to select and upscale single or multiple videos. After selecting your videos, come to the right panel. Here you will find several options. After the GPU option, you will find the media type. If the video is realistic, select Gen Default V2 or Real Smooth as the output, and if it's an anime, then select Anime from here. Next, choose the upscale value by 2x, 3x, or 4x, or select the resolution. I will go with the 4K resolution. Here you can see the before and after versions. That's amazing. On the bottom, you will find the audio option. Once you are done, hit the Run button. It will take some time. And here it is. Our video is ready, and you can see the amazing result. Let's see the before and after versions of the video. This is not the end. There are some other interesting features are also available on Videoproc Converter AI. Let's have a look. The next feature is frame interpolation. It supports converting a low FPS video to a higher frame rate, such as from 30 FPS or 60 FPS to 120 FPS, to 140 FPS or 480 FPS. For example, this is an AI-generated video, and the frame rate of this video is only 12 frames per second. We can improve the FPS with the frame interpolation feature. After inserting the video into the frame interpolation option, you can see the before and after versions. Now set the FPS value. I'm going with maximum value. Next, set the video codec, audio codec, and quality level. Once everything is set, hit the Run button. And here is the output video. You can see the quality. And last AI feature is Stabilization, and it makes it easy to eliminate unwanted shaky video clips from your GoPro, phone, drone, and handheld camera with GPU accelerated speed, controllable cropping ratios, and precise fine-tuning. After selecting the Stabilization feature, import the video and then set the values. Once you are done, hit the Run button. Let's see the before and after versions. Not only that, but you will find some other incredible features also like video converter, DVD, downloader, and recorder. It's really useful software for designers, even content creators. Although it's a paid tool, I think it's value for money. You can use their free trial and buy the subscription if you are satisfied. In the trial version, you can stabilize shaky footage, upscale low-res videos or images, or increase FPS in under 5 minutes of footage. In the full version, you will get unlimited access to all of their features. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with image or video upscaling with Videoproc Converter AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!